Hello and welcome back to Medical Minds. Today we have a concerning topic to discuss: the rise of colorectal cancer in children. A recent study has shed light on this alarming trend, and we need to delve into the details to understand what's happening and why. Colorectal cancer has long been seen as a disease affecting older adults, but recent research is showing an unsettling increase in its incidence among children. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Pediatric Gastroenterology and Nutrition provides a detailed look into this troubling trend. The study analyzed data from multiple pediatric cancer registries covering cases from 2000 to 2020. Researchers found that while colorectal cancer remains rare in children, its incidence has increased by approximately 2% annually over the past 2 decades. Specifically, the study revealed that the increase is most pronounced in children aged 10 to 19. These findings are particularly concerning because early detection in this age group can be challenging due to the rarity of disease and non-specific nature of early symptoms. So, what's contributing to this rise? The study highlights several potential factors. One major concern is diet. Increased consumption of processed foods and sugary beverages, combined with decrease in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, may be contributing to the risk. Obesity is another significant factor. The prevalence of obesity in children has increased dramatically over the same period, and obesity is a known risk factor for colorectal cancer. Other factors such as sedentary lifestyles, environmental exposures, and even genetic predisposition are also being investigated. Early detection is crucial. Unfortunately, the study found that many young patients are diagnosed at advanced stages, making treatment more difficult and reducing the chances of successful outcomes. Here are some symptoms parents and caregivers should watch out for: persistent abdominal pain or discomfort, changes in bowel habits including prolonged diarrhea or constipation, blood in stool or rectal bleeding, unexplained weight loss, fatigue, or general weakness. If a child is experiencing any of these symptoms, it is essential to seek medical advice promptly. So, what can we do to address this issue? Raising awareness is the first step. Parents, teachers, and healthcare providers need to be informed about the signs and symptoms of colorectal cancer in children. Promoting a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular physical activity, can also play a significant role in prevention. That's all for today's episode on Medical Mind. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, we can raise awareness and help protect our children from the rise of colorectal cancer. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.